Hey, looking for tips today. Today's tip is super quick. We're going to hide grid lines. Grid lines are these things in the back that sort of separate all the cells. If you go up to View and click grid lines, now we don't have grid lines, and our sheets become a lot easier to communicate exactly what we want to communicate, less busy. If you want definitely more in-depth how to make this awesome, these sheets awesome, and use border styles, use colors to add to your border styles. I go way more into depth in the paywall after the paywall. So get lifetime access right now to bettersheets.co and get way, way, way more deeper into what else we can do with border styles, borders to really communicate better, bring that user's eye whenever you're trying to share sheets and share data, bring their eye to exactly what you want them to do, and tell them what you want them to do. Maybe go away from something or fill in their information. A lot more ways to make your sheets better at bettersheets.co. Thanks for watching. Bye.